Once in an era, an event so dramatic occurs that it
Nah, too much. How do I write a script for a solution that changes manufacturing as we know it? How about
no shipment delay or supply worries. Print parts anytime and anywhere.
come on?
With the highest accuracy, you can print any customized parts, even
Nope. Maybe.
less volumes to store, more space to play.
Never mind. I'll just let simplicity work for me.
Introducing Origin 2 3D printing solution, where repeatability meets unmatched accuracy, a true injection molding alternative for economically viable low-volume production. One printer, infinite applications, every industry. Stratasys Origin 2, precision manufacturing, redefined.